Thank you for tuning into the Tropical Atlantic Marine Weather Briefing issued on Sunday, August 3rd, 2025. And this forecast is going to be valid through Thursday, August 8th, 2025. And here is an overview of what we are expecting in the next 5 days. We are expecting no gale warnings. We are expecting swells and seas to be less than 12 feet. And we are watching the tropics. There's going to be a medium chance of tropical cyclone formation over the central tropical Atlantic. As of now, it's a medium chance of formation. And then we also have a low chance of formation of the southeastern United States. And this is the latest tropical weather outlook, and this is the area with a medium chance of tropical cyclone formation in the next 7 days, as a tropical wave is expected to move off the coast of West Africa on late Monday and start moving to the west-northwest. Conditions are going to be favorable in this area for possible tropical cyclone formation, and a tropical depression could form late this week. Another area with a low chance of development that we are watching is this area a couple of 100 miles southeast of South Carolina. A low pressure could develop, and so development may be possible by midweek. And here are our current synoptic conditions. We have a stationary front over the northern Gulf, a high pressure over the southwestern Gulf, and we have a high pressure north of the area. And there is this pressure gradient between this high and the low pressures near Colombia, and also the tropical waves. So we have some moderate to fresh winds, and at night they could push up to gale. And in terms of seas, we have seas less than 8 feet mostly across of our area. Looking into the 24-hour forecast, the stationary front will continue around the same area. One of the tropical waves is already moving into the eastern Pacific. The other tropical wave is also helping for this pressure gradient. Winds are going to be between fresh to strong in the south central Caribbean, and seas are going to increase a little bit, and they're going to be between 8 to 10 feet over this area with these winds. Looking into the 48-hour forecast, this tropical wave will continue to move westward. We continue to have this pressure gradient across the south central Caribbean, and seas are going to continue to be between 8 to 10 feet within this area. Looking into the 72-hour forecast, the tropical wave continues to move westward, and we have a couple of troughs of low pressures in the area, and the pressure gradient is going to start to relax in the south central Caribbean with moderate to fresh winds, and seas are going to start subsiding, and they're going to be between 8 to 10 feet. Looking into the 96-hour forecast, this is beyond the 72-hour featured forecast, so we don't have them at this time, but it looks like the pressure gradient is going to continue to be between moderate to fresh winds, and for the rest of the area, very benign weather, and seas, it looks like they're going to be around 8 feet in this area in the south central Caribbean. Looking into the Friday forecast, moderate to fresh winds are going to continue across the central Caribbean, and we're going to start seeing a little bit of increasing winds depending on how the tropical cyclone formation is by this time. But as of now, we have moderate to fresh winds probably associated with the tropical wave that should be in this area by Friday, and in the same places where we're expecting seas to be between 8 to 10 feet. And it's always important to check our latest forecast to see how the tropical cyclone formation is going to be by this day. And here is a summary of what we are expecting in the next 5 days. We are expecting no gale winds. Winds are going to be less than 34 knots. Seas are going to be less than 12 feet. However, we are watching two areas of possible tropical cyclone formation, one across the central tropical Atlantic and the other one of the southeastern United States. It's very important that you guys check our latest forecast, as if one system developed, these conditions will change. Elsewhere, the weather pattern is going to be dominated by the Atlantic high pressure. Thank you for listening, and our next briefing is going to be issued on Thursday, August 7, 2025 by 5 p.m. EDT.